Hi, my dear doctors. Today I'm here with a new topic from the gynecology of Kaplan book. Okay, Kaplan Gynecology. So today I'm going to discuss about a hormone which is very important for the maintenance of the pregnancy and for the determination of the pregnancy. Okay, that is the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. So, what are the sources of the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone given into the Kaplan book? Okay, so sources: it is produced by the placental cytosensor trophoblast, first appearing in the maternal blood 10 days after fertilization. It is peaking at 9 to 10 weeks and then gradually fall to the plateau level at 20 to 22 weeks of gestation. So this is a hormone which is produced whenever the implantation of the we can say the product of conception, when implanted into the endometrium. Okay, and then the formation of the cytotrophoblast and cytophoblast. Okay, and so the cytotrophoblast, they start to release the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, which is an indication for the pregnancy. So in the initial time, the level become so high, and it till increases till to the week 9 to 10 week of gestation. After that, it's gradually fall and keep a constant level at approximately 20 to 20 week of gestation. So what about the structure of the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone? It is two units. Number first, that is alpha subunit and the beta subunit. The alpha subunit is similar to that of the luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and the thyroid stimulating hormone, or the thyrotropin, while the beta subunit is specific for the pregnancy. So for the confirmation of the pregnancy, we need to identify and need to find the beta subunit of the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. So what are the purposes of finding this hormone? That it maintains the corpus luteum production of the progesterone until the placenta can take over the maintenance of the pregnancy. So before pregnancy, okay, for example, there is only ovulation started, and there is a structure into that of the corpus luteum that is into the ovary. After the ovulation, the remaining part of the follicle, okay, that is the theca interna, theca externa, and some granulous cell. So they are called as the corpus luteum, and this act as a gland, and this corpus luteum is responsible for the production of the progesterone, and this progesterone help in the development of the endometrium, making the endometrial wall spongy, and the cells become hyperplasia and increasing in size somewhat. We can say that the pregnancy is maintained by progesterone. So progesterone make the environment of the uterus comfortable and good for the product of conception. So if there is no fertilization, if there is no implantation, then the corpus luteum start to degenerate and it will not maintain the progesterone level. So if there is implantation into the endometrium, after that the sensitrophoblast start to release the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, and this hormone, what it do, it keep the corpus luteum alive. It inhibit the degradation or denaturation of the corpus luteum till some time. Okay, so it maintain the corpus luteum for the production of the progesterone and regulate the steroid biosynthesis in the placenta. Okay, and fetal adrenal gland as well, stimulate the testosterone production in the female, the fetal male testis. So there are two categories, that if the level of the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone is high, then what are the indications, and if the level is low, then what we have to think. So if the level are excess, we have to think about the multiple pregnancies, the twin. If there is two pregnancy, so definitely there is two sensitrophoblast, then the production from the both the sensitrophoblast causes the net increase in the level of the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. So in case of the hereditary mole is a condition, or is a type of the gestational trophoblastic diseases and chorionic carcinoma, embryonal carcinoma. So these are the some conditions in which the human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone level increases. So what are the conditions in which the level decreases? If the level are inadequate, it may be ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy means that the product of conception, no, it is not implanted into its normal position. It is not implanted into the endometrium. No, it is implanted somewhere else or outside of the endometrium. That the most probable location is the fallopian tube. It implanted into the fallopian tube. Okay, that is called the ectopic pregnancy. So in that condition, the pregnancy will not develop, will not be successful. So the level decreases, and threatened abortions and misabortions. So in that condition, we can see the low level of human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone. So this is something about the HCG from this book. Thank you.